This How to 1 Minute will show you how to set up Google Amex records in Cpanel. Follow this step-by-step guide to complete this whole process. Log into your Cpanel and scroll down. Under Domain section, click on Zone Editor. And now select here the domain and click on Manage. In the filter menu, click Amex to display the list of Amex records only. Then delete the current Amex configuration to add Google's Amex records. Now click on Add Record and fill in the 5 Amex records below. Select Amex. Valid zone name, enter here your domain name. Now all you have to need, add each Amex records as mentioned on the screenshot below. Once the Amex records are added, you must wait few hours for the DNS progression time. And this is how we can set up Google Amex records in Cpanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.